Good morning from Glendalough. I am back once again for a lovely winter hike, and this time we are doing the Spinc Glenealo Valley Loop, which is, as of just a few days ago, officially reopened. It had been closed and had a number of diversions in place for about half a year, I think, as they repaired some storm damage and did some work on the trails to help prevent any further erosion. But it is now completely reopened, so come along and let's hike the Spinc Glenealo Valley in Glendalough. The Spinc is one of the most well-known trails in Glendalough for its stunning views of the entire valley. The Spinc Glenealo Valley Loop is 9 kilometres in total and takes you up a somewhat tough climb that's rewarded with breathtaking views of not just the valley itself, but as you climb high, the view over the Wicklow uplands opens out around you. I decided not to vlog too much during the hike and just soak in the sights and sounds around us, so I hope you enjoy. Too warm already. Which animals do you think we'll see? Oh, there's badgers here too. Yeah. This doesn't even have like deer.
I don't think we'll see any of these.
No. Hey, Mr. Robin. The first viewpoint. That's the lower lake, and then here is the upper lake, which we will have a better view from higher up. I think today's weather is going to be one of those times where I'm constantly taking layers on and off again. That's better. Bit of protection from the wind. This section of beautifully laid stone stairs that are quite steep is one of the newly sort of refurbished sections of the trail to help protect the bogland and the heather that's all around it. Whew, it's steep.
Was that the diversion?
have it pinned on my Google Maps actually. Drink now, Coco. Oh, my hands are frozen. Let's try to get warm again. What is it? Came from up there.
Hello?
Thank you for coming along. We are almost back to the car park now along the Miners Road. If you would like to see me do 4 different trails in Glendalough in one day, you should watch this video next. I hope you have a joyful week. I'll catch you in the next adventure.